Hello. In this session, we are going to talk about the topic health. Health, it's a very important thing and it's always related to a good, healthy, like stay healthy and something related to the medical terms and phrases. We'll be learning about the body parts and related to the diseases, hospital, and healing things. So, I'm just going to give you some of the vocabularies here, which is very important on the situational basis. Why this topic health is important that you already know means if you are having any issue, you must know how you can explain about that to the doctor if you're living there in Germany. Introduction, first of all, it's all about that why this health is important and how you can plan about it. Then, what all the terms you can say when you are visiting to a doctor. So, this is all we are going to see in this session. Here comes some of the vocabularies that we have. We will see it with the sentences. For example, meine Oma ist in einem Altersheim. My granny is in old people's home. Seit wann haben Sie Bauchschmerzen? When did you start having stomach aches? Hast du einen Krankenwagen gerufen? Have you called an ambulance? Als Kind hatte ich Windpocken. I had the chicken pox as a child. Here come some of the terms related to the masculine, like medical terms. Masculine, singular, plural in English, conjugate English meaning is also given. So they are asked the Erste, which is doctor. Der Atem, breathe. Der blaue Fleck, Bruse. Der Bauchschmerz, stomach ache. Der Blutdruck, blood pressure. Der Gips, plaster. Der Heuschnupfen, hay fever. Der Husten is cough. Der Kopfschmerzen is headache. Der Krankenwagen is the Krankenwagen, ambulance. Der Krebs, cancer. Der Rollstuhl, die Rollerstühle, wheelchair. Der Schlaganfall, Schlaganfälle. Der Schmerz, Schmerzen. Schnupfen, Tod, death. Zahnschmerzen is toothache and Zahnarzt is dentist. Here come some of the feminine words also like Allergie, Ärztin, Behandlung, Blindarmenzündung, then Droge, Gesundheit, Grippe, Krankenschwester, Krankheit, Mandelentzündung, then medicine, migraine. So these are some of the verbs tablature, temperature given to you in the feminine health related words also. Then comes neutral, which is like allergy, Ärztin, Behandlung. All these are the neutral one, but it is more like the plural case, right? Then comes the medical terms and phrases. There are a lot of medical terms in any language, so here also you will be learning about a lot of medical emergency and the vocabularies related to that and the phrases also. Like arm is their arm, back their Rücken, blood is das Blut, body their Körper, bladder is the Blase, bone is the Knochen, then chest the Brust, ear das Ohr, elbow their Ellbogen. So there are lots of verbs that you have here. So what you have to do is you just go through with all these words and see what their meanings are given here. So according to that, you can also work on your pronunciation. Then come some general terms like ambulance, der Krankenwagen, blood test, Blutprobe, blood pressure, Blutdruck, confusion, Gehirn, that is Gehirnerschütterung, contagious, that's ansteckend, Doctor, der Arzt, Insurance Versicherung. You can choose the words in this one which is important while you are using it on daily routine. So no need to learn all these words, rather to choose some of these which are very important to know. Like when you're describing any symptoms, you should know how to say these symptoms in German. So ache, allergies, backache, blister, broken, chills, these all are given to you in the German also. Okay, like Schmerzen, Allergien, Rückenschmerzen, Blase, Gebrochen, Kältegefühl, Verstopfung, Verhütungsmittel, Houston, Durchfall, schwindelig, Schwarz, das Fieber. So all these are given to you in German. So this you should know the illness also. Just take a look in these things. Then comes the medications. So here are some medications given anti-inflammatory, that is Entzündungsschimende. Entzündungsschimende. Antibiotika. Antibiotika. Spritze. Medikamente. Schmerzmittel. Rezept. Then comes the phrases. These phrases are going to help you to just explain about what your problem is. Like if you say, I feel dizzy, mir ist schwindelig. I am feeling really unwell. Ich fühle mich echt mies. To have a fall, hinfallen. To have a heart condition, ein Herzleiden haben. To have heartburn means Sodbrennen haben. Suffer from insomnia. So unter Schlaflosigkeit leiden. Are you allergic to anything? Sind Sie gegen irgendetwas allergisch? Where does it hurt? Wo tut es weh? Cough, please. Husten Sie bitte. Open your mouth. Machen Sie den Mund auf. I'm going to prescribe. Ich verschreibe Ihnen. Then at the hospital. Again, there are the same vocabularies given here also, which you can just take a look. What all things are main and the important one are these, which you can learn. Here comes disease related vocabulary like ich bin krank, I am sick, die Krankheit, the sickness, eine Erkältung, a cold, die Schmerzen, the pain, die Kopfschmerzen, a headache, die Halsschmerzen, a sore throat, die Rückenschmerzen, the back pain, das Fieber, the fever, der Schnupfen, the sniffles, die Symptome, the symptoms, the Sickernheit, that means the seasickness, the Krebs, the cancer. Here comes the healing related vocabulary. What all things you can take to heal your problem. Obviously, those are related to the tabletter, Blutdruck, thermometer, medicine, Arzt, Hausarzt, Krankenschwester, all these. So these are some of the vocabularies which you have related to the problems and like medical issues. In this one, there is no need of learning all the vocabularies. Just choose some of them which you use on daily routine, write it down somewhere, and try to use those vocabularies in your daily routine. That's it in this session. Till then, see you in the next session.